plea to the following. A lesser included offense of count 1, domestic violence is a felony of the 4th degree, and an amended count 5, attempt to commit bribery, a felony of the 4th degree. As a part of negotiations, the state has also agreed to recommend community control sanctions as long as the defendant complies with all conditions of bond going forward, complies with all required reports with probation, does not have any new arrests or charges, and appears at all court hearings.
How is count 1 going to be amended by removing one of the convictions?
Yes, Your Honor. I had it as a lesser included, since I would just remove one, but an amendment or a lesser
Well,
included.
it doesn't matter to me which. Okay, we'll just make it the lesser included.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Farinacci?
All of that is correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Groves, how old are you?
35, Your Honor.
How far did you go through school?
I dropped out of high school, but I did obtain my GED.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Are you able to read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes.
Prior to coming to court, have you taken any drugs or alcohol or any prescription medication in the last 48 hours?
I have taken prescription medication only.
What have you taken?
Buprenorphine, or I'm on buprenorphine for, I'm in IOP, I'm getting treatment, and then buceprone is the other one.
Where are you getting that from?
So that I'm seeing a prescriber online. It's an app called Work It. They're in network with my insurance, and then I'm receiving treatment with IOP, or IOP is at Lake Geauga.
All right. When's the last time you took anything?
I took buprenorphine, or I think I keep messing the name up, but I took that this morning before when I woke up.
Does it affect your ability to understand what's going on here?
No, Your Honor.
All right, it's been represented to me you're going to plead guilty to the lesser included offense in count 1, domestic violence, a felony 4, and count 5, attempt to commit bribery, a felony 4, and then the remaining charges would be dismissed at the time of sentencing. Is that your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, before I accept your guilty plea, I need to determine that you know and understand the constitutional rights you'll be waiving, the consequences of your guilty plea, and the maximum penalty I could give you. And I need to be satisfied that your guilty plea is being made freely, knowingly, and voluntarily. I'm going to ask you some questions. If you don't understand a question or you want more time to talk to Mr. Farinacci, let me know and I'll give you more time. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have a constitutional right to have a trial, either to me or to a jury of 12 Lake County citizens. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to a jury trial, all 12 members must agree to a guilty verdict before you can be found guilty. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to trial, prosecutor will call witnesses to testify against you. Do you understand the prosecutor must prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt at a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
After those witnesses are done testifying for the prosecutor, you have the constitutional right to have your lawyer cross-examine those witnesses. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes, I am.
If you go to trial, you have the right to have witnesses come here and testify for you. Do you understand that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If those witnesses refuse to come to court, I'll issue an order called a subpoena to make them come and testify. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
You have the right to testify at trial if you want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
You have the constitutional right to not testify at trial if you do not want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yeah.
If you decide not to testify at trial, nobody is permitted to comment on that decision. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you go to trial and you're found guilty, you have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you file an appeal, you have the constitutional right to have a lawyer represent you in the appeal. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you could not afford to hire a lawyer, one would be provided at no cost. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you file an appeal, you're entitled to have a transcript of all the hearings in this case. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you cannot afford to copy those transcripts, they'd be given to you at no cost. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you plead guilty today, you will not have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You have any questions about any of your rights?
No, Your Honor.
You still want to plead guilty to these charges?
Yes.
Do you understand by pleading guilty, you're fully admitting your guilt to the charges?
Yes.
You understand by pleading guilty to these felonies that you're voluntarily giving up your freedom for whatever period of time I could sentence you to prison, to jail, or to community control?
Yes, Your Honor.
In the lesser included offense in count 1, domestic violence, a felony of the 4th degree, it carries a maximum prison sentence of 18 months and a maximum fine of $5,000. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in count 5, the attempt to commit bribery is a felony 4, also an 18-month maximum prison sentence and a $5,000 maximum fine. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, I could give you a consecutive sentence. That means one sentence after another for the separate offenses. If I did that, you face a maximum prison term of 36 months and a maximum fine of $10,000. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand your felony conviction will prevent you from owning or possessing a firearm?
Yes.
Do you understand if a prison term is imposed in this case, you might have to serve a period of post-release control as part of your sentence for up to 2 years under the parole authority?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you are placed on post-release control and violate any conditions, the parole authority could send you back to prison for up to 9 months for each violation, up to 1/2 of my sentence. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If that violation is a new felony, then you could get an additional consecutive prison sentence for that violation. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
If that were to occur, the maximum prison sentence for the violation would be the greater of 12 months or the time you have left under post-release control. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand if a prison term is imposed, you are eligible for judicial release?
Yes.
I could place you on community control for up to 5 years, but if you violate any conditions, I could send you to prison for 36 months. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you I would be lenient on you just because you're pleading guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Has anybody promised you what I will sentence you to in this case?
No, Your Honor.
Do you understand I do not have to follow the sentencing recommendation of either the prosecutor or your lawyer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you had enough time to talk with Mr. Farinacci before pleading guilty today?
I have, Your Honor.
Has he discussed everything about your case and answered all of your questions?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the advice he's given you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you been threatened or coerced in any way to plead guilty today?
No, I have not.
Are you freely, knowingly, and voluntarily entering your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
All right, Ms. Zagretsky, if the case went to trial, what would the evidence show?
The evidence would show that on November 14th of 2023 in Madison Village, Lake County, Ohio, the defendant, Jonathan Groves, placed his hand around the victim's neck, restricting her airway, which knowingly caused or attempted to cause physical harm to her. The victim is Melissa Groves, his wife. He has previous convictions for domestic violence where she was the victim, including in Willoughby Municipal Court, case number 19 CRB 1101, dated July 9, 2019, or in the Ashtabula County Court of Common Pleas, case number 2020 CR 5, dated September 23, 2020. The defendant fled the scene. When he was arrested, he was taken to the Lake County Jail. From the Lake County Jail, he made numerous calls to the victim, Melissa Groves, between November 14th of 2023 and December 22nd of 2023. In the phone calls, he would tell her that he was awaiting his Christmas bonus from his employer, which turned out to be in the amount of $38,000. He offered her money from the Christmas bonus if she would tell prosecutors and the police that she made up the allegation. He would say things such as, "I will give you half the money if I could just get out. You can tell them you made it up because you were scared. I know it'll be scary for you to do, but you need to do it. I don't know why you can't just tell them what I told you because they'd drop it."
All right, Mr. Farinacci, anything to add to those facts?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Groves, did you hear what Ms. Zagretsky said the facts would show if a case went to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are those facts true?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what is your plea to the lesser included offense in count 1, domestic violence, a felony of the 4th degree.
Guilty, Your Honor.
What is your plea to count 5, the attempt to commit bribery, a felony of the 4th degree?
Guilty.
Mr. Farinacci?
Today is May 21st. Sign there, I'm sorry.
Mr. Groves, is this your signature on this written plea of guilty?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Did you sign it voluntarily?
Yes.
Do you want me to accept your written plea of guilty?
Yes.
I'll accept the written plea of guilty. Defendant was present when Mr. Farinacci advised all of his rights, made a knowing, intelligent, voluntary waiver of those rights. He understands the nature of the charge, consequence of his guilty plea, and the maximum penalty. Find it to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. I will accept his plea of guilty and find him guilty of lesser included in count 1, domestic violence, a felony 4, and count 5, attempted bribery, a felony 4. I'm going to refer this for a pre-sentence report, a drug and alcohol evaluation, and a victim impact statement. Sentencing will be June 28 at 1 p.m. and the bond is continued. Now, I see by the docket there have been 2 attempts by the victim in this case to terminate the no contact order in December, twice in December, which both times was denied. Your bond is an OR bond with the condition of no contact with the victim directly or indirectly in any way, as well as keeping the GPS unit on. So I'm not sure what's going on between you and her, but if there's any hint of any contact by you or by a third party, I'm going to yank your bond and you'll sit in jail until you're sentenced. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about that?
No.
All right, anything else, Ms. Zagretsky?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Farinacci?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we're adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.